Day 23, make sure you pause as needed. All right, let's look at number 1. The models below represent 4 different decimal numbers. Which list shows these decimal numbers in order from greatest to least? Make sure you label each hundreds grid with the correct decimal. Okay, let's scroll down, go straight down to number 2. Write the following number in standard form. 64 1/millions, 2 10,000s, 83 tens, 2 tenths. Okay, go straight across to number 3. Round the following number 3 different ways. You're going to round to the nearest 10, 672,836. Now you're going to round to the nearest 100, 672,836. And now you're going to round to the nearest 1,000, 672,836. Okay, let's go up to number 4. At what point on the ruler is the dashed line?